USD yen. Now we are based on 1 hour chart. Okay, if you refer back to my last video, when the price was here, we analyze and we see we are looking for the sell. As we can see, we get the price drop, and there was another opportunity which was here, which we didn't have the update based on that. But if again, since the price was here, we're looking the price drop, and what we are expecting the price at least drop to somewhere around here, if following the trend line. Okay, now for those traders that are in trade, at least they should book some profit. Maybe they should move their stop loss whether from any of these trades somewhere around here, in case there is a reversal. Okay, and now we want to see what's the next. From here, do we need to look for buy or sell? Alright, right now we don't have any confirmation. Alright, we need to see what will happen here, and we need to see to get the correction. Then from there we make a decision. As we can see, if we continue the trend line, if the price was somewhere around here, we could expect for the reversal. That means we could expect for the buy. Since the price even break the trend line, then now the only way we have is to draw our trend line in this way, which I don't think is the right way. That's why we keep our trend line as what we have already made here. Okay, if the price sharply move back within the trend line, then maybe we can consider to look for buy, but first we need to get the setup. But if we see the correction and the continuation, then we need to see what's the next. Okay, as I said just now, we don't have any trade setup. Now we want to see what's the next, how we can analyze the chart. We move to forward chart. Okay, based on the forward chart, now we want to see whether the price from here can continue and drop, or whether from here or if came to any of this level can reverse. Okay, no, the question is, this is the only correction relative to this. In that case, this should continue and come to here or not. This correction is not finished yet. This means we have what we have here, and this is the correction. This is in relative to this. We should get one move up before the price can drop. Okay, now the only question is how we know that. As I said, there is no confirmation here. We need to wait what will happen. If the price came to this level, drop any of this level, and we see there is a continuation, we just let it go. But if we see come here and we see the correction within this within this area, then from there, if we get the buy setup, we can look for buy. Because if the move is the sharp and moving and dropping, then I don't think we can get the reversal. Okay, but right now, as long as the price came to this level, whether here whether here or here, we need to see whether we need to look for the continuation or reversal. No, the question is, do we need to look for buy here? In that case, maybe move to 1 hour chart. The question is whether we need to look for sell here, because I don't think we can look for buy right now. Okay, as we can see, it depends on the traders, because almost the price is close to this low and this low. I don't think selling here is a good idea. Also, there is a possibility if we get a small flag, maybe we can trade the small flag, and if we trade as long the price reach to this level or we get into the profit, we move our stop loss to break even. Okay, again, if you want to get any sell setup here, should be small flag, and or at least the correction similar to what we have here. My preference for this range is a small flag, and as long as we get the trade, we move our stop loss to break even and we protect our trade. Okay, then from there, if we see the continuation, we keep it. If we see the reversal, we take out the trade. And now how about the daily chart? That's exactly what we have. The daily chart. Now we want to see, this is the only correction with this, or no, this is the correction in relative to this for one move up, then from there we get one move down. Okay, any of them can happen, but what we are expecting and what we wanted, we are more interested to trade if we get this correction in relative to this. That means we should get one move up before the price can drop. But in the long term, whether from here or here, the most interested trade we wanted this. Okay, and if we move back to 1 hour chart again, we don't have, as I said, we don't have anything, so we need to see what will happen here. If we get a correction, then from there we make a decision for the continuation or reversal. But right now we don't have anything. In this case, just we follow the chart and we see what will happen and what we can trade it. Thanks.